Cooking enthusiasts and home chefs alike are always searching for kitchen products that offer a blend of functionality, versatility, and durability. If you're someone who loves to experiment with recipes, bake, and cook up gourmet meals with ease, this Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan might just become your new best friend in the kitchen. With its 4-quart capacity, non-stick coating, steamer strainer basket, glass lid, integrated spatula, and high-temperature performance, this pan has been designed to meet every kitchen need, making it the ultimate all-in-one solution. But does it truly live up to its promises? Let's dive into every detail of the Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan and see if it's the right fit for you. Key features of the Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan. 1. Replaces 12 cooking tools. The Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan is not just another pan, it's a multifunctional marvel. This 4-quart pan has the power to replace up to 12 cooking tools, making it one of the most versatile kitchen tools available. Whether you need a frying pan, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, roasting pan, baking dish, steamer, or strainer, the PossiblePan can handle it all. Why it matters. With so many cooking tools needing to be stored and maintained, the Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan helps streamline your kitchen setup, saving you valuable counter and storage space. 2. Stovetop to oven performance. One of the standout features of this pan is its ability to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven to table. Capable of withstanding heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows you to bake just like you would with a cast iron skillet. Whether you're looking to brown meat on the stovetop or bake a casserole in the oven, the PossiblePan makes it easy to do it all without having to switch pans. Why it matters. The ability to go from stovetop to oven saves you time, eliminates the need for multiple pans, and ensures even cooking throughout. 3. Thoughtful design and integrated spatula. A thoughtful design is essential for making cooking both efficient and enjoyable, and the Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan delivers on this front. The pan comes with an integrated spatula, which conveniently stores on the lid. This spatula is specially designed to match the curvature of the pan, making it perfect for scraping the edges and ensuring that nothing sticks to the sides. Why it matters. The integrated spatula makes the PossiblePan user-friendly and ensures that cooking and serving become a hassle-free experience. 4. Steamer and strainer basket. The integrated stainless steel steamer basket is a game-changer for those who enjoy cooking vegetables, dumplings, or other steamed foods. It's an incredibly convenient feature that saves you the trouble of using a separate pot and steamer. Additionally, you can use the pan as a strainer when cooking pasta or draining liquids. Simply lift the ergonomic handle to pour and strain your food with ease. Why it matters. This dual functionality saves you time and space in the kitchen, allowing you to steam and strain food with ease, making it ideal for quick weeknight dinners or meal prepping. 5. Searing and even heat distribution. Thanks to its durable forged metal design, the Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan ensures even and quick heat distribution across the entire cooking surface. This means that you get perfect searing every time, whether you're cooking meat, vegetables, or even baking in the oven. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. The result is consistently delicious meals every time you cook. Why it matters. The consistent heating ensures that you get the best cooking results every time. No more frustrating moments of unevenly cooked food. 6. NeverStick technology. The pan comes equipped with Ninja's exclusive NeverStick technology, which prevents food from sticking, chipping, or flaking over time. You'll enjoy smooth, non-stick performance for years to come, making it easier to release food, clean, and maintain your pan. The non-stick coating also ensures less oil is needed, promoting healthier cooking, while also preventing unwanted messes. 7. Durability and long-term performance. When it comes to cookware, durability is a key factor to consider. The Ninja NeverStick PossiblePan is built to last, thanks to its premium materials and superior craftsmanship. The pan comes with a 10-year guarantee, which shows the manufacturer's confidence in the product's long-term performance. It is free from harmful substances like cadmium and lead, ensuring it is safe for use in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.